Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video, we will be learning how to download and install WhatsApp on your phone. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to download and install WhatsApp on your phone, first of all tap open Play Store app on your phone. On the top of the page, you can see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp and press the search button. Now you are redirected to the page from where you can install WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on install button on the top right corner of the page. The installation process will begin soon. The WhatsApp is being downloaded to your phone. Downloading WhatsApp on your phone helps you send photos, videos, audio clips, and messages to your close friends. Wait for the download to finish. The speed of download depends upon your internet speed. Now the WhatsApp is being installed on your phone. Now tap on open button on the top right corner of the page and enjoy WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you learn how to download and install WhatsApp app on your phone. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.